Hello! It was the devil. He made me do it. All right, ladies and gentlemen and ladies. Man.
Oh man.
Is my son gonna be excited when I'm done with this video? Ever since this came in a couple days ago, he's been telling me,
Dad, when are you gonna do your video? Please do your video. I wanna play with your Switch.
So son, this video is for you. We have not just any Nintendo Switch, not a Pokemon Nintendo Switch, not an Animal Crossing Nintendo Switch, but a Mario Red and Blue Edition Nintendo Switch. This came out the same time that Mario 3D World and Bowser's Fury came out for the Nintendo Switch, and I saw it and I just had to pick it up. I mean, how cool is this? I mean, I don't know why it took so long for them to create a special Mario Edition Nintendo Switch, but they finally did. And that, my friends, is what we have in front of us. So enough talking, let's check out the box. All right, so on the front of the box, of course, we got a picture of the device. It's different in color than the regular Nintendo Switches. This has red and blue accents to commemorate Mario, of course, Mario Red and Mario Blue. And what's a nice little bonus is this comes with a carrying case, a Mario Red and Blue Edition carrying case. On this side, looks like we got a picture of the case as well as the back of the Switch. On this side, we have a picture of the Joy-Cons. We got the red Joy-Cons and the blue lock straps or whatever they're called. And typically the string is black, but this is different. It's got red and blue accents. And then on this side, looks like we got a picture of the front of the case as well as the front of our Nintendo Switch. All right, now let's get inside. All right, here's gonna be our Switch right here. Let's take that out. We got our Joy-Cons right over here. All right, so here's gonna be our Switch. Joy-Cons attached, Mario Edition. On the back, we got our kickstand, typical Nintendo Switch with that red Mario color. It would have been nice if they had a design back here, etched on the back, but for whatever reason, they didn't. Okay, so here's gonna be our case. On this side, it's gonna be red. The other side is gonna be blue. Let's see, can we store any games in here? All right, so yeah, we could store, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6 if you have a game installed on the Switch itself. But yeah, okay. And the zippers are yellow to commemorate, I believe, the coins in the game. What else do we get? Oh, looks like they give us a screen protector. Yeah, they give us a screen protector. Okay, it's a nice touch. We got our blue grip right here. That's a very nice blue. Let me put the Joy-Cons in there so we can see it. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, that Super Mario, Superman, super cool. What else do we got? There's our Joy-Con straps. Got the red and blue strings right there. And then the yellow for all the coins. There's gonna be the dock. The red is like a matte finish. It's not a glossy finish, so fingerprints are not gonna be an issue whatsoever. Okay, it's red throughout. Sometimes, you know, companies, what they do is they cheat us and they just use the same back from the older models or the other models. This case looks like they painted it throughout. So that's very nice. All right, so here's how the Switch is gonna look while it's docked. Very nice. There's the back of it. And the last two things that are gonna be in the box are gonna be, of course, the HDMI cable and the power brick. Would have been nice if Nintendo would have carried the color scheme to these, but hey, it is what it is. So you're probably wondering, hey, Handsome Gadgets, what are you gonna do with this Switch? Don't you have like 3 other Switches? And yes, that is true. We do have a full Switch and then 2 Switch Lites. So a short time ago, I put a poll out on the community tab asking, should I stream Nintendo Switch games? And if so, which games should I stream? So as of right now, we have about 70% of people that said yes. 30% of haters, but hey, nah, it's all good. It's a poll. You know, either yes, I should, or no, I shouldn't. And a majority said yes. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna stream some awesome, amazing, fun Nintendo Switch games. And there might be some guests streaming with me. I mean, I do have 5 kids now, so I got plenty to choose from. Now, I haven't decided when the first stream is gonna be, but I have decided what the first game is gonna be, and that is Super Mario 3D World. But of course, if there's any other games that you want me to check out and maybe even stream, leave a comment down below and let me know what they are. And make sure that you're subscribed and click the notification bell to make sure you're in the loop for all things Handsome Gadgets. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up before you leave, as it definitely helps out the channel quite a bit. Thank you and have a good one.